Hey guys, it's Bezza here, your favorite real estate chick. We are at another glorious property in Toledo. It's another beautiful day too. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath duplex, has all new renovations. It looks amazing on the inside, and it's about 1,900 square feet. So let's go in and take a peek. So what'd you think? Hot shit, right? I mean, what else would you expect from Ohio Cashflow? But let's talk a little bit about the numbers. This property sold for $84,900. It has a $1,200 rent. That's for both properties or both units within the property. And then there's a 12% cap rate. Amazing numbers. Numbers that Ohio Cashflow, you see at Ohio Cashflow all the time. So I've said it many times before, but I'm gonna say it again. Check out the description box below. Check out the investor app application so you can get in there and get involved with us so you can have properties bringing in money just like this one. And the dingo keeps telling me that you guys are running out of time. There's only so many more spots for people that wanna get involved with Ohio Cashflow. So don't waste any more time. If you're even considering it, get involved, reach out, and get with us, because this is exactly where you need to be. So that's it for now. I'm Bezza, your favorite real estate chick. I'll see you at the next property.